If you want to feel stronger inside, if you want more control over your life, and if sometimes you feel a little lost or tired, then The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is the book you need. It teaches you simple but powerful things, like how to choose your own path, how to focus on what's really important, and how to keep growing even when life is hard. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting better, little by little, day by day. You don't have to change everything at once. Just one small habit at a time. And soon, you'll start to feel the difference. Stay with me. Let's walk this path together. Summary of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey is a timeless self-improvement book that teaches principles for personal and professional success. The book emphasizes character ethics over personality traits, focusing on long-term growth rather than quick fixes. Covey introduces 7 habits that highly successful people follow to lead a meaningful and productive life. Habit 1. Be proactive. Take responsibility for your life. Instead of reacting to external circumstances, proactive people focus on what they can control. They do not blame others or external conditions, but take initiative to shape their future. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Define your goals and align your actions with your values. Covey suggests writing a personal mission statement to guide your decisions and keep you focused on long-term success. Habit 3. Put first things. First, prioritize tasks based on importance, not urgency. Covey introduces the time management matrix, where he divides tasks into 4 quadrants. 1. Important and urgent, crises, deadlines. 2. Important but not urgent, planning, personal growth. 3. Not important but urgent, interruptions, meetings. 4. Not important and not urgent, distractions, social media. Highly effective people spend more time in Quadrant 2, focusing on personal growth and long-term goals. Habit 4. Think win-win success is not a competition. Instead of seeing others as rivals, highly effective people seek solutions that benefit everyone. Win-win thinking fosters trust, collaboration, and long-term success in both personal and professional relationships. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Most people listen to respond, not to understand. Covey emphasizes the importance of active listening, paying full attention, empathizing, and understanding others before expressing your own thoughts. This habit builds stronger relationships and effective communication. Habit 6. Synergize teamwork and collaboration lead to better results than working alone. Synergy means valuing differences, combining strengths, and working together to create solutions greater than the sum of individual efforts. It's about embracing diversity and finding creative solutions. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. Constant self-improvement is key to long-term success. Covey encourages focusing on 4 dimensions of renewal: physical, exercise, proper nutrition, and rest; mental, reading, learning, and developing skills; emotional, social, building strong relationships and emotional intelligence; spiritual, finding purpose, meditation, and self-reflection. Regular renewal in these areas keeps you energized and prepared for continuous growth. Final thoughts. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is not just about productivity. It's about building character, developing strong relationships, and living a fulfilling life. By applying these 7 habits, you can become more proactive, focused, and successful in both personal and professional life. Are you ready to transform your habits and unlock your full potential? Start today. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to improve your life step by step, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every video here is designed to help you learn, grow, and succeed. Whether it's mastering your money, improving your English, or building a better future. By following this channel, you're not just supporting me. You're helping yourself to become smarter, stronger, and more successful every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together.